Alright, got my 12 valve Cummins right here. I was hearing some crazy noise, so I took my truck to the transmission shop. They just rebuilt it because I figured the torque converter makes some crazy noises. I never heard anything like this before. So they put a new torque converter in it, and that wasn't the problem, but I didn't have to pay anything. But look at that, my turbo, you can already tell right there, there's a little bit of a wheel hitting the compressor side. But check this out. This is comical. So, see if you can see any play. Look at that. Holy shit. That thing is wiped out. I don't even think I've ever seen a turbo that bad. Gone. Alright. Well, time for a new one.